When your Xfinity TV box gets stuck on the welcome screen, it's one of the most common technical issues customers face. This problem affects various box models and can be frustrating, but there are immediate solutions you can try. This welcome screen hang affects multiple Xfinity box models, including the traditional X1 boxes, Flex streaming devices, and the newer Xi1 models. Each of these devices can experience startup issues for similar reasons. Understanding the startup process helps identify where problems occur. Your Xfinity box goes through 5 critical phases: hardware initialization, network connection, authentication, content guide download, and user interface loading. Several factors can cause your box to hang on the welcome screen. These include poor signal quality, network connectivity issues, authentication problems with your account, corrupted firmware from failed updates, or hardware malfunctions. The first and most effective solution is a power cycle reset. Unplug your Xfinity box from power for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the complete startup process. This resolves most temporary software glitches. Next, check your coaxial cable connections. These should be finger tight plus a quarter turn, not too loose, not over-tightened. Look for any damage, corrosion, or loose connectors that could affect signal quality. Finally, you can send a system refresh signal to your box using the Xfinity My Account app or website. Navigate to Manage TV, then Troubleshoot, and select System Refresh. This sends new activation signals that can resolve authentication and software issues. These 3 immediate solutions, power cycling, checking connections, and system refresh, resolve the majority of welcome screen hang issues. Try them in order, allowing adequate time for each step to complete before moving to the next solution. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your Xfinity welcome screen issue, it's time to move to advanced solutions and learn prevention strategies. The most effective advanced solution is performing a factory reset. This process will completely restore your box to its original settings, resolving most persistent software issues. Network connectivity is crucial for modern Xfinity boxes. Your internet connection must meet minimum speed requirements, and DNS issues can cause startup problems. Signal strength is critical for proper operation. Your downstream signal should be between -15 and +15 dBm/v, with optimal range being 0 to +10 dBm/vs. Prevention is key to avoiding future startup problems. Follow these maintenance practices to keep your Xfinity box running smoothly. If problems persist after 3 troubleshooting attempts, or if your signal measurements fall outside the optimal ranges, it's time to contact professional Xfinity support for assistance.